Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. The function in here has one critical number. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find first the derivative of the function. So in this situation, we can apply about the product rule of the derivative. So for example, we have y equals to ab. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we need to do first the derivative of a multiplied by b plus first the derivative of b multiplied by a. So in this situation, we need to do first the derivative of this one multiplied by e to the power of 2s. Later that we do first the derivative of e to the power of 2s multiplied by 13s plus 1. So first derivative of 13s, we got 13. This one, that is about the constant. So we have 0 in here and we got 13. This one, e to the power of 2s, when we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of 2s, and later that we continue doing first the derivative of 2s, and this one we have number 2. Now we have e to the power of 2s, e to the power of 2s. We can do about factorization. This one we have 26s plus 2. Number 13 and number 2 we have 15. Next we put this one equals to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0. So I will find the solution only this one. And we put number 15 go to the right, and we divide both sides by number 26. So we have negative 15 over 26. This is the end. Thank you for watching.